Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, in Unit 1, buckle up, we will learn about regular plural nouns. So, open up page number 12 and let's get started. On this page, you can see that there is a picture given. In this picture, there are different things. Let's look at those things together and see what they are. The first one is a daisy. And along with daisy, you can see that there are daisies. So, when there is only one, it means that it is a daisy. But when there are more than one of that daisy, it becomes daisies. Can you see the difference? Now say it with me. When there is only one, it is daisy, and when the daisy is more than one, it becomes daisies. Now let's see the next thing, which is a butterfly. When there is only one, it is a butterfly. But when there is more than one butterfly, it means that there are butterflies. Now say it with me. When there is only one, it means that it is a butterfly. And the plural of butterfly is butterflies. Now let's come to the third one, which is a strawberry. The plural of strawberry is strawberries. So the singular is strawberry and the plural is strawberries. Now let's come to the last one, which is a candy. When there is more than one candy, there are candies. So the singular is candy and the plural is candies. Very good. So, did you see that the words had highlighted letters? We add IES to a noun to show more than one noun. If a noun ends in Y and comes after a consonant, IES is added to make it plural. For example, there was a word butterfly. Can you see that it is ending with Y and before Y there is the consonant. So Y is changed into IES and plural is made. Now what you have to do is make a list of plural nouns ending with IES. Try it yourself, and if you have any problem, ask someone in your family to help. Write at least 5 words ending with IES on a loose sheet.